Do you know what's in your food? In today's fast-paced world, convenience often comes before consciousness, especially when it comes to food. But have you ever paused to ask yourself, do I really know what's in my food? Understanding what you're putting into your body can make a huge difference in your energy, health, and long-term well-being. Many of the foods we consume daily are processed, packaged, and marketed with eye-catching labels that say low-fat, sugar-free, or natural. But behind those labels often lie additives, preservatives, artificial colors, excessive sugar, sodium, and unhealthy fats. These ingredients might help extend shelf life or improve taste, but they can also harm your health over time. For example, high-fructose corn syrup is a sweetener found in many sodas, snacks, and cereals. It's linked to obesity, diabetes, and liver issues. Monosodium glutamate, commonly added to enhance flavor in packaged foods and fast food, may cause headaches or sensitivities in some people. Even seemingly healthy foods like granola bars or flavored yogurts can contain hidden sugars and unhealthy oils. Reading ingredient labels is one of the simplest but most powerful habits you can develop. If the list is long and filled with names you can't pronounce, it's probably a sign to think twice. Choose whole, fresh, and minimally processed foods when possible. Things like fruits, vegetables, legumes, whole grains, nuts, and lean proteins. These provide your body with the nutrients it needs to function at its best. Knowing what's in your food also empowers you to make better decisions for your lifestyle. If you're managing a health condition, trying to lose weight, or simply aiming to feel more energetic, being aware of your food's ingredients gives you control over your outcomes. It's not about becoming obsessive, it's about becoming aware. Cooking more at home, checking nutrition labels, and choosing foods with fewer additives are great starting points. Over time, your taste buds will adjust, and you'll begin to crave the real, whole flavors of clean, nutritious food. In a world full of food choices, the best choice is to be informed. Knowing what's in your food helps you take back control of your health one bite at a time.